Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So we collaborated with Mediheal Philippines para sa bago nilang sheet mask, and this is called the Tension Flex, which is a 2-in-1 sheet mask that nourishes and enhances and contours jawline. Meaning, if you have dull skin or chubby cheeks ka or you have wide face, this sheet mask can help you. It is also called the non-surgical facelift. O, diba? So, wag na natin patagalin pa. I will show you guys how to use it and if nag-effect ba talaga siya sa akin. So guys, klaruhin ko lang, baka malito kayo. Si Yoon Bin yung nasa picture guys ha. Hindi ako yan, baka malito kayo. Si Yoon Bin yan guys. Hindi, joke lang. So, may dalawang klase yan ng sheet mask. First, the soothing mask, which is best for oily, combination, acne prone, and sensitive skin. Meron itong tea tree leaf, which you guys know I'm a fan of tea tree. Very good for acne prone skin like me. It also has true centella complex to calm your skin from irritation, and skin soothing complex. The other one is their Hydra mask. Sorry guys na itapon ko pala yung packaging, so ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung picture niya. Basta guys, si Yoon Bin yan, hindi ako yan. So this one naman is best for dry, normal, combination, and sensitive skin. Meron itong 8 forms of hyaluronic acid and 4 ceramides. Itong dalawang to guys are great for hydrating, and meron din siyang skin nourishing patented complex. Now, how do we use it? So guys, kakatapos ko lang maghilamos, mag-toner, mag-serum, basically yung basic skincare ko. So, susundan nyo lang kung nasaan yung lips and yung eyes area. Tapos, ilapat nyo lang ng maayos. Gently stretch the sheet mask up and down hanggang ma-cover mo yung buong muka. Next is itong parang wings na nasa ilalim. Padaanin nyo lang siya sa lower part ng face nyo. Then, gently pull that towards the area next to your eyes sa may bandang mata. Then, iwan nyo lang siya dyan for 10 to 20 minutes. Ako, minamaximize ko talaga yung 20 minutes. As you guys can see, zero to minimal bubbles yung sheet mask na to. Unlike yung iba na nagbabubbles tapos parang laging natatanggal. Tsaka kita nyo guys na nasa-stretch talaga siya because meron tong 54 V-cuts na kaya i-stretch sa lahat ng face shapes. No need for over-ear hooks kaya comfortable siya. And this will improve jawline contours for slim and small face. Hey guys, I know I look weird. I'm currently using the Mediheal Tension Flex Soothing Mask. So, pinapatry nila sa atin to. This is my first day. So, share ko lang. Sobrang astig niya nga kasi unlike other mask, kumakapit talaga siya sa mukha. Normally kasi pag gumagamit ako ng mask, humihiga ako para dumiit siya sa mukha kasi nga dumudulas siya. This one is sinasabi nila na parang non-surgical facelift. Kung papasin nyo to, wala yan sa ibang mask. Dito talaga siya, parang ang purpose talaga niya para mag-lift ng mukha. So, malaman natin. This is my day 1. Okay, so abangan din hanggang day 7. So guys, update lang for Mediheal. This is my 3rd day. And I'm not sure if it changes anything. Pero syempre 3rd day pa lang, time charger. Pero yun, update lang para alam nyo. Update ulit guys, 5th day. And hindi ko masyadong inoobserba naman yung sarili ko, pero gusto ko ma-surprise yung sarili ko after 7 days eh. Pero so far, so good naman. Hindi rin ako tinitigyawat dito sa mask na to. And yun, lampas pa. Pero yun, maganda yung mask na to. Na mabanat niya dito. Tapos, ang ganda ng face kinabukasan. Ganda ng skin kinabukasan. So as you guys can see, may improvement on my face and lagi makinis yung mukha ko araw-araw. Napansin ko rin na pag naghihilamos ako, wala akong nakakapang acne or mga small bumps kasi usually ganun yung pag naghihilamos tayo, di ba? Nafe-feel natin pag may mga pimple, may mga acne. For straight 1 week of using Mediheal sheet mask, wala akong napansin, wala akong nakapa. In fact, I felt the difference na mas makinis siya. So there you go guys, the Mediheal Tension Flex Sheet Mask. Available for only 129 pesos. Guys, before 149 pesos to, but they lowered down the price. And also the rest of the sheet mask na meron si Mediheal from 149 down to 129 pesos. And just like I did, you will love this. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Peace.